Hi everybody, and welcome to the tip of the week. This is one of my favorite tools. I know it's not the most sophisticated, but there's a tool that has been on YouTube for years and a lot of people don't know about it, and I try to use it a lot. Well, often. Let's put it that way, and I like to teach everybody to do it. It's called clipping, and I'm going to show you what it looks like here and then how to do it, and then I'm going to show you where it shows up afterwards. So it's really a cool feature. So if I didn't have this right column open, it would be listed right under my video. And right here, it shows up when you have the drop down from the 3 dots as a clip. So in this case, I'm going to try to clip it. Clips can be up to 1 minute long. And why would you want to clip yours or somebody else's video? Well, here's the thing. One time I went to visit somebody else's podcast and they saw that I was there and present and had a shout out to me. And I was so excited for the shout out that I actually clipped that piece and said, I'm going to share this. And I went to one of my SeniorTuber community pages that I have. And I said, somebody called me their homegirl today. And I just felt so honored. So I posted that clip on my page. So here's the thing. If you ever see an important piece of a video that you want to share with people, if it's yours, let's say it's one of your podcasts or one of your videos, and you want to clip a little piece from there, not like a short where you have to go and optimize it and put all the information in it, which is still great, but just that you want to share this cute little piece or this important little piece real quickly in seconds, and you want to tell people about what you just heard, what you just said. So it's showing somebody else's channel who said something poignant. This is the tool for you because it is so quick and you could share it anywhere, any way you can share a link. So what it is, like I said, is called a clip, and I'm going to show you how to set it up now. So right now I'm going to start playing it. I have it on silent, and let's say I want to play the clip from here. I get to move this wherever the clip should be in 1 minute maximum. Let's say I like this piece, what I just said here. And then all I have to do is put in a nice title and say, very important to know this. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then you share the clip, which is a little button right down here. Let's see where that, okay, it's down here. And you share the clip. And what that's going to look like is you get to share it on all the platforms you want, or any of the platforms you want. But you can also just copy it and save it for wherever you want to use it. Once you have that, you can post it in social media. It would look something like this if you posted in, they have to open it. It would look just like this. So now this is that same video, only if you see now, it's only 24 seconds long in this case, because I only did that amount, and they can watch the full video if they want to. So you're actually promoting the full video if it's yours, or if it's somebody else's, they will actually have access to the full video. They see that it's very important to know this. You can share the clip again, and it just stays alive forever. When somebody views it the first time, it then becomes part of your channel. So you would, let's say you're going to my channel to see what is on my home page. If you scroll down to the bottom, there's a top community clip section. Any clips that I have made, I just cleaned this out because there were a lot of them. Any clips that I've made in the past that people have clipped on will then get saved to this area. If you don't want it to be there, there's a delete button. You can share it with your people privately, and I'm going to show you how to set it up now. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your YouTube studio, and then you're going to click on your settings. And after you get on your settings and your advanced settings, and if you scroll down just a little bit, it's going to give you the option for clips. And you're going to clip yes. Unless you don't want anybody to clip your work, this is a good thing for people. Wouldn't you want people to share as much as they can of you? And some people, if you can't clip it, it means they have this turned off. Maybe they don't even know it's an option. So that's one of the reasons why it wouldn't work, is if they don't have that clip. There could be others. So that's how you set it up. And then if you go into your customization section and you go into your home tab, you'll see all of your clips down here. This is the top community clips. And if you wanted to take it and remove it, you could remove that section. If you need to delete a clip, you have to do it from the home page of your channel. So I think it's a pretty cool thing. I hope you use it. If you want to try it, send me the link to the clip that you want to share with me. Put it in the comments section or send it to me some other way. But I'd like to see what you find valuable to share with me. Maybe it's just a hello. Maybe it's some information I want to know about YouTube. I hope to find your clips in the comments section. Thank you so much. I'm Fran Asaro, and I'm the founder of the SeniorTuber community, and we're here to help mature people, baby boomers, Gen Xers, start and grow their YouTube channels. So come and join us. Read the description to find out more about us. Have a great day.